Hi everybody, Mrs. Miles here, ready for Monday's Phonics. I hope you're all well and I hope you're all ready with your magnet eyes and your listening ears. Let me have a look and see. Fantastic. Okay, are we ready? The sound that we're going to learn today is V. 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 Mm. 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 Now that can make your lips tingle just a little bit when you're doing that. It's quite funny really. Mm. So if you put your teeth on your bottom lip. Mm. Fantastic. Now I've got some pictures that start with the sound V. Are you ready? And it's a stretchy sound at the start. Vet. That's a doctor that looks after animals. Vet. Fabulous. This boy is wearing a vest. This is a really big bird and it's called a vulture. And this man is looking at a beautiful vase. Sometimes you put flowers in a vase. Vase. Let's have a look at those pictures again. Vase. Vulture. Vest. He's wearing a vest. And a vet. Brilliant. I could hear you really saying those sounds really well. Let's have a look how we draw a picture of that sound. Remember, Mrs. Miles's drawings are not always that good. I'm sure you can do better. Are you ready? So they've got some wings there. Can you see? They're like wings. There is the vulture. It's a funny picture, isn't it? Look, make more sense when you see the other one in a minute. If I get my crocodile snaps ready, and if I'm going to write over the top, it would be vulture. Your turn. Brilliant. Vulture. Brilliant, well done. If I take my picture away, I'm left with the sound that we read and the sound that we write. Nice and easy one to do is that one. Crocodile snaps, get my magic pencil. Brilliant, one more try. I'm saying the sound as I write it this time. Brilliant, fantastic. This is a better picture, can you see? That's what a vulture looks like, not like Mrs. Miles is. We've got vulture. There's a vulture, the big bird vulture. Let's have a go at playing our game to see which side the picture lands on. If you see this side, you say V, and if you see this side, you say vulture. Are we ready? Magnet eyes. Ready, ready, ready. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Vulture. Vulture. V. Vulture. Fantastic, well done. After my video is finished this morning, I want you to have a go at writing that sound that we've done today. Now I've got a little booklet here And my little booklet's got lines on it. And we use the lines to help us place our letters and our sounds, okay? The sound that we're going to write today is V, the sound that we've just learnt this morning. And it's a nice and easy one if I use my board to help me balance. Okay, there's my line. Don't know if you can see. I'll show you when I've done it. And all we say when we're writing our sound is down the wing, up the wing. You see it sits on that line. Let's try again. Down the wing, up the wing. And I'm leaving a space in between the sounds that I write. I'll try and do it so that you can see. Down the wing, up the wing. Can you see? This time when I write it, I'm just going to say the sound. V. 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 So when this video is finished, or you can do it now if you pause the video, I want you to have a go at writing that sound. And then maybe you could have a go at writing some of the other sounds. J, we learned, didn't we? And we've also learned Okay, so see if you can have a go at writing those sounds as well. J. Now it's interesting is J because it sits in the middle of the line. Can you see? J. J. And the other sound that we learned, this one sits on the line like the V, is Can you see? Fabulous. So have a go at writing those sounds on a piece of paper. Or you might have a little book with lines on, or someone might be able to put lines on for you. Okay, see if you can have a go at doing that. Right, back to learning our sounds. Fred moved out of the way there. Where's he gone? There he is. Okay, there's our sound of the day. V. I'm going to hide it in with some of the sounds that you already know. Are we ready? Nice and speedy, don't stretch it, remember, nice and short. Off we go. When you see it, give it a wave. Brilliant. V. Remember it's V, not V, V. Let me hide it again. Fantastic. Keep going. Brilliant. Oh, it's not there yet, is it? Oh, there it is. V. One more time. What that one is. It's not I, it's J. Brilliant. Well done, everybody. Okay. We're going to read some, we're not. We're going to listen to Fred first of all, before we do our reading of some sounds. He's going to give us some sounds, and then we're going to put those sounds into words. Remember, Fred can only talk in sounds, so we have to help him put those sounds into words. Are we ready? V, a, n. V, a, n. V, a, n. V, a, n. Van. A lorry driver might drive a van. Van. Let's try another one, Fred. V-et. 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 Vet. Brilliant. Remember what a vet is? A vet is a doctor, an animal doctor who looks after animals. Okay, let's have a different one. Oh. B-ig. big, 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 big. Brilliant, nice and big. Let's have one more, Fred. Okay, are we ready? J-O-M-P. Listen carefully. J-O-M-P. 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 Jump. J-O-M-P. Jump. Fantastic. That was a hard one at the end, wasn't it? You did really well. Give yourselves a fantastic. Well done, Fred. Let's pop you back there. Okay. Now we're going to read some words, okay? First ones we're going to do, we're going to Fred talk, and then we're going to read the word, okay? Our word time words, and then we will continue through to the end of the video. So it should just be a short one, okay? So we're going to Fred talk and read the word. I'll start off for you. Fred talk. O-N. O-N. Run. Fred talk. J-og. J-og. Jog. Okay, this time I'm going to mix those words up and I'd like you to have a go. Okay, on your own. Fred talk. Read the word. Fox. Brilliant. Fred talk. Read the word. Rat. Fred talk. Read the word. Red. Here's the sound that we've learnt today. Fred talk. Read the word. Vet. Fred talk. Read the word. Jam. Fred talk. Read the word. Jog. I went for one of those this morning, a little run. And I went for one of these as well. Fred talk. Read the word. Run. Well done. Okay. This next set of words, I'm going to hold them to myself and push them forward when you're ready to read. The first time we do them, we're going to Fred talk. And when I push it forward, you're going to read the word. I'll do the first two for you and then we'll start again. Fred talk. B-A-D. Bad. Fred talk. B-I-N. Bin. Right. Let's mix them up. And it's your turn this time. Okay, we ready? Fred talk. Read the word. 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 Back to the beginning. This time round, I want you to Fred talk in your head. So you're saying the sounds in your head, not out loud. I'll show you what I mean. Fred talk. Cup. Your turn. Fred talk. Brilliant. Fred talk. Fred talk. Fantastic. Fred talk. Fred talk. Brilliant. Fred talk. Fred talk. Brilliant. Well done. You did those really, really well because they're quite tricky. Let's have a go. I'm going to move them backwards and let's have a go if we can see if we can read them a little bit quicker. Fred talk. Read the word. Fred talk. Read the word. Hen. Fred talk. Log. Read the word. Log. Fred talk. B-I-N. Read the word. Bin. K-up. Cup. B-a-d. Bad. F-at. Fat. Back to the beginning. Okay, that's when we're moving it like that. That's when we're doing it fluently. We're reading a little bit quicker. And that's going to help us to read quicker. All right, well done, everybody. Don't forget, you can have a go at writing the sounds on a piece of paper like I've shown you today. And practice looking for those sounds in the books that you've got. Okay, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.